Let me guess, your inbox is full of rejection letters. LinkedIn recruiters are not sliding in your DMs, and if they are, it's not with a role that you actually want to work. And outside of that, it's like a full-time job trying to apply to all these jobs, and no one is hitting you back for real. I have 3 tips that might help, friend. Hi, my name is Gabby the Expert, and I help ambitious professionals take ownership of their career through my Project Manager Success System. If you're looking to become a project manager or in the industry already and you're not having any success with your job search, then you might want to stay and listen to this. So I recently had a consultation with a client, and I usually send out a questionnaire prior to us actually meeting so that I can get insight on what your situation is, right? So this person sends me back their questionnaire fully answered, and they send me a resume, and I'm looking at the resume, I'm looking at the background, and I'm looking at the skills. This person is heavily credentialed. They have their PMP cert, they have other certifications, they have their Scrum cert, they have all of this background and these transferable skills. So I was like, okay, what does this person need help with exactly? And as I looked at their resume, I realized that, okay, it's the positioning. The resume and the presentation, the LinkedIn and the presentation, and are we optimizing how we search for a role, how we attract recruiters to ourselves, and how we present the information and our credentials in our resume. So I gave them 3 tips, and I'm going to share them with you. Here's a perfect example of what your resume should look like. It should have your name, your number, your email, maybe your LinkedIn if you really want to show off your page and you think that there's value add there. But it needs to read professional summary, technical skills or skills, education, certifications, and then professional experience. Now that we're clear on step number 1, which is to make sure that your resume is in a uniform template from top to bottom, no extra stuff, in an easy to read format, the second thing you want to do is optimize your LinkedIn. Optimizing your LinkedIn means that you have keywords showing in your headline that are tailored to the types of roles that you're looking for. So if you were to look up my LinkedIn, you would see program manager, fintech, implementation, software as a service, which is SaaS, SaaS. You would see governance, risk, and compliance. You would see all of those keywords in my headline so that when recruiters are typing in certain things, my name pops up. If you are proficient in a certain type of tool, something that's popular, and you want that to pop up because it's in a lot of job descriptions, then you want to include that tool in your headline. The second thing is with LinkedIn, you need to make sure that your open to work banner is on, visible to recruiters only, because we don't need colleagues in our business